Hey there, high fashion doll lovers. I am just Christopher, and if this is your first time on my channel, bienvenidos. If you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for waiting, being patient, and still tuning in because, ooh, this wait felt longer than any of the ones in the past. For those that are also returning, if you're wondering what the hat's all about, I haven't gotten a haircut, and because I've waited so long for these dolls, I refuse to wait any longer. So no matter what state I am in, this video is getting done one way or the other. Okay. So, as you can already tell by the icon photo, I am finally getting started on my Integrity Talk Convention series. Yes, series, because I'll be creating a playlist on my channel where all the videos of all the dolls that I'll be reacting to, okay? Remember that, will all be located. Now, this is the Obsession Convention, and before I get into today's doll, I was thinking before I started filming the video that I really wanted to touch on the fact that I feel the last three conventions, which I have been very fortunate to go, I feel like the theme has not been cohesive. And I say that only because Fashion Fairy Tale, or was that the name of the convention? Wow, I said that so confidently without even knowing. Point is, I feel that convention was iconic, and it was one of the things that made me want to join the W Club because I wanted access to all of those dolls, and I didn't have it. But what I loved so much about that convention was just how well everything was tied in and how, I think, straightforward the theme was, and how it worked through all of the lines that were featured in that convention. You know, from Fashion Royalty to New Face to Poppy, the storyline of the theme just tied in very well. And I feel like in the last 3 years, we've had a theme, but it hasn't really been tied in with every line. It just kind of feels like everyone has a different color story and everyone has a different point of view, and something just isn't clicking. However, I have to give a shout out to Jessie because I feel like Jessie's the only one that kind of intentionally gives you a theme and a collection, although it doesn't look like it. But once you get to hear the story behind it, you're like, oh, yeah, that makes sense to the theme. So that was a little like spleesh of, I guess, my feelings lately, because I feel like with the last three conventions I've gotten so excited. I was like, oh, obsession, what are we obsessed with? And I'm like, ooh, Lux Life, what are we luxing? Oh, that's wait, did I go to Lux Life? I did not go to Lux Life, but that was another one that I was like, what is Lux Life? And it just didn't kind of. Anyways, I feel like I wanted to share that with the world. If you agree, leave a comment below, and if you don't agree, still leave a comment. Feel free to share your thoughts. It's an open platform for everybody. I mean, you know, the video is public to begin with. But without further ado, we'll cut the chit chat because I'm sure a lot of people don't want to hear me talk. That's not what you came here for. We are going to be reacting and unboxing Vanessa Perrin, A Doll's Life. Now, I have to say, I really enjoyed Mark's background on this doll. I really enjoyed hearing the inspiration and hearing the story. And I really do think he did a great job tying that in. Oh, this boxes. Is it trying to tell me to go to the gym or something? I don't think so. What I will say about this particular girl before I even unbox her, I'm not a fan of pink. That's it. That's the only thing I have to say. Just not a fan of pink. Pink and I. Oh, it's been a while since I've had like a gift set. Yeah, it's been a minute. I'm not a fan of pink, and I also feel like, you know, with the theme being purple, obsession being purple, I really would have loved if she had purple, like if, you know, the things are purple. So that's my only thing. Also, it's a Vanessa. I'm a little tired of Vanessa at this point, but that's just a personal thing for me. Yeah. I feel like there's a lot that I'm saying. What are my feelings at today? Who? hopefully the doll is going to change that. So, right off the back, this box has a beautiful quilted design. It says Obsession, event exclusive fashion doll at the corners. Integrity in the packaging just never fails. Never fails. The packaging alone is always such an experience. And I am truly loving this, like, quilted vibe. Did you hear that? What's that thing that people listen to? AMSNR? Sounded that? Sounded that right? Yeah. Anyways, I'm overacting. Okay, so this is upward. Okay. Are we ready? Oh, it feels like Christmas. Oh, make it feel like Christmas. I can feel better about life. I need some joy. Give it to me. Okay. Ooh. Legendary. We need that right there. We need that right. You gonna stay? Thank you. Wow. So fluffy. So pretty. I mean, you know, I'm kind of over you. I still am. But it's okay. Here she is. Oh, integrity toys. Always does it. There's just a feeling, you know, you just can't compare. You just can't compare. You cannot. I'm gonna briefly put this over her and give you a little spleesh before the next segment in this video. If this is your first time here, I like to unbox my girls off camera, and then I'll be right back to show you what she looks like displayed in her look. Now, because she is a gift set, I am gonna do things a little different around here. I'm gonna display her in the gold dress and accessorize her in that look, and then I'm gonna style her in one of the other looks. I'm not going to style her in all of the looks because I actually kind of want to use some of these looks for some of my other dolls that I got from convention to kind of mix and match some of the collection items. Convention items. Collection, convention. Kind of works. So yes, in this video, I'll be showing her in her gold dress, and then I'm going to create one look with all the extra pieces that she has. So stay tuned for that. Also, if you've been to this channel before and you're wondering what happened to my case, well, I left them empty, waiting the arrival, not arriving, waiting the arrival of all the new girls. And they needed home, so this was cleared. So as the videos go on, pay attention to the background, because it will be getting full and full and full. And now, without further ado, on to look number 1. Alrighty, so here's Miss Vanessa in what I'm calling look 1, as you already saw from me unboxing, well, reacting to the doll in the box. She already came in the gold dress. So I decided just to take some of the accessories and complete the look. I originally had the rose gold strappy shoes on, but then I didn't love it, so I went with the black ones to make it a little bit more modern. So I thought, I still don't really love it, but the gold shoes were way too gold, so this is what we got, guys. This is what we got. So I'm going to do a little close-up. I'm going to bring the camera up a bit. Yes. Oh, she is needing to focus. We zoomed in a bit much. There we go. Kind of want to give you a closer look at the accessories that I chose. I went with the really simple studs and ring and glasses for this combo. Was giving you very like red carpet Hollywood it girl, but modern, and she just doesn't care vibes. And yeah, that is Miss Vanessa in look 1 so far. And now I'm gonna throw some things together with some of her leftover pieces and give you a second look so we can see what she looks like in more of a casual wear. Shall we? Let's go. Well, all right now. So we have Miss Vanessa in look 2. what I'm calling look 2. Here I'm using the rose gold sandals that I was talking about earlier. Felt like it complemented this vibe a little bit better. This t-shirt is giving very wet t-shirt contest. It's like a very thin cotton. I almost want to say like it's linen, but it's not linen, but it's just really, 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 really thin. Also, this split is really high. So it's like wet t-shirt and I don't even know what to call the split. I really don't. Now, the little flower on the hip, I believe it's for the dress, but it's like a pin, which is something new that I've never seen from Integrity. So I was able to kind of like hook it into the chain and kind of give it a little bit more of a detail. I almost considered using the bag, but then I just felt like it was a little overkill because of the bracelets and the earrings, and I was like, oh, the bag is too much. It was one of those moments where you want to keep it like basic, but over accessorized. Um, but at the same time, don't want to go too overboard. So I'm going to go zoom in a bit more. Look, I just zoomed right into that. So you can see a little bit of the stick from the pin kind of showing there. So that was a pretty good area to zoom into. And these are the earrings that match that pin. It's like the flower. Oh, shook that a little. Shook that a little. Yeah, there we go. I should actually make the stand go back. Yes. There we go. A very janky camera angles. So as you see, this is the jewelry set that had the flower pin. The earrings match with the same kind of stones, as well as the bracelet. There were 2 bangles that also came in this set. But I also felt like that was a little overkill, especially because these cuffs are so big. So I decided against that. But yeah, this is my look 2. Zoom out one more. Give you a full look. Yes, Vanessa. Looking fabulous. Okay, everyone, that's the end of today's video. Please make sure to keep your notifications on and put the bell notification to ring you up, because this was just video number 1 out of the series of the Integrity Toys convention. So stay tuned. I will be releasing a video every Wednesday. Wednesday? Yeah, we're sticking to Wednesdays. Every Wednesday. Now, how many videos they are? I really haven't counted how many dolls I have. It's not that many. It's not that many, trust me. It's not that many. But until next time, guys, bye.